Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is interstate disparities. The proportion of poor people is not same in every state. Although state level poverty has witnessed a decline in the level of poverty, the success rate of reducing it varies from state to state. Bihar and Orissa continue to be the two poorest states. Along with rural poverty, urban poverty is also high in Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Now, in comparison, there has been a decline in poverty in Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and West Bengal. The states like Punjab and Haryana have traditionally succeeded in reducing poverty with the help of high agricultural growth rates. Kerala, it has also reduced because they have focused more on human resource development. And in West Bengal, due to the land reform measures, they are able to reduce poverty. And in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, public distribution of food grains have been responsible for the improvement. Now we will discuss about global poverty scenario. The proportion of people in developing countries living in extreme economic poverty, defined by the World Bank as living on less than $1.25 per day, has fallen from 43% in 1990 to 22% in 2008. Although there has been a reduction in global poverty, it is due to great regional differences. Now, poverty declined in China and Southeast Asian countries as a result of rapid economic growth and investment in human resource development. In the countries of South Asia, that is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, the decline has not been so rapid. In sub-Sahara African, poverty in fact declined from 51% in 2005 to 41% in 2015. In the same way, in Latin America, the ratio of poverty has declined from 10% in 2005 to 4% in 2015. The new Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations proposes ending poverty of all types by 2030. Now we will discuss about the causes of poverty. There are a number of causes for the widespread poverty in India. One historical reason is the low level of economic development under the British colonial administration. The policies of this government ruined traditional handicrafts and discouraged development of industries like textiles, and this resulted in less job opportunities and low growth rate of incomes. The failure at both the fronts, promotion of economic growth and population control, perpetuated the cycle of poverty. Now, with the spread of irrigation and green revolution, many job opportunities were created in agriculture sector. The industries, both in public and the private sector, did provide some job opportunities, but these were not enough. Unable to find proper jobs in cities, Many people started working as construction workers, domestic servants, etc. With irregular small incomes, these people could not afford expensive housing, so they started living in slums. Now, another feature of high poverty rates has been the huge income inequalities. One of the major reasons for this is the unequal distribution of land and other resources. Despite many policies, there have not been able to tackle this issue in a proper manner. Since lack of land resources has been one of the major causes of poverty in India, and proper implementation of these policies could have improved the life of billions of rural poor. Now, there are many other socio-cultural and economic factors which are responsible for poverty. In order to observe some religious ceremonies, people, especially in India, including the very poor, they spend a lot of money. And sometimes small farmers, they need money to buy agricultural inputs like seeds, fertilizers, etc. And so they borrow money for this, and they are unable to repay back because of poverty, and they become the victims of indebtedness. So the high level of indebtedness is both the cause as well as the effect of poverty.